Good morning, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever and wherever you are, except my wishes. I am Dr. 𝗔𝗂𝗶 𝗠𝗵𝗵. I passed ADC examination in 2008. Since then, I have been practicing as a prosthodonticist in various parts of India and overseas. And I started the Academy of Dental Knowledge because I had great difficulty in finding resources and proper guidance. It was a huge exercise to collect books and reading materials from India, roaming around in various parts of Delhi and roaming around in various book centers in Riyadh. So that was very difficult journey. Even it was impossible to know that who will certify our certificates that are provided by our boards in Hindi language. So I spent too much money also for attestation. So I have passed through so much difficulties. Although I qualified, but it was a very difficult journey in terms of finding the resources and proper guidance to qualify successfully in the exams of Australian Dental Council to work as a dentist in Australia. Then I decided that I'll do something so that those students or those candidates who decides to take ADC exam, they should not suffer the same difficulties that I suffered. Therefore, I established the Academy of Dental Knowledge, and it was clear since the beginning that it will be online. It will be an online platform. I qualified my ADC exam in 2008 and I came back to India in 2009 because I got a job in Australia, but unfortunately I couldn't go because of my responsibilities. But in 2010 or 9 say, I came back to India in 2009 and I started thinking of establishing online academy. I established so many forums at Google, at various platforms, and in 2015 I decided to launch a proper website that will have a MCQ pattern of examination similar to the exam that is provided by ADC. And today there is a presentation of scenario-based multi-choice. Today I will give a presentation which will be scenario-based multi-option single choice question paper. You know that the Australian Dental Council has given a new blueprint for the Part 1 ADC examination. And the questions are divided into 4 clusters in Part 1 of the examination, and these clusters work also and helps students also in Part 2 of the ADC exam. The cluster 1 is professionalism. Professionalism topic I have covered also. Professionalism I have covered in a separate lecture. So you can click the link given in the description and you can see or view that video which is available on YouTube. The cluster 2 is the clinical information gathering. In this part, as a dentist, you will gather the information by history taking, doing examination, knowing about symptoms and signs. Cluster 3 belongs to those questions which are concerned with diagnosis and management planning of the patient. Diagnosis of the disease and management planning for the diseases. For the diseases I am saying because you will treat a person not to the tooth only, but you will treat a person as a human being in totality. Cluster 4 comprises of the questions which are related with clinical treatment and evaluation of the treatment. Means you treated the patient based on the diagnosis and management planning, and afterwards you did evaluation that whether your treatment was successful or not.